Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups.
In today's video, I'll show you how to set up your Netgear Orbi Tri-Band Wi-Fi 6 mesh system using the WPS method. This is one of the quickest ways to connect your Orbi router and satellite without using the Orbi app. Let's get started. Begin by unboxing your Netgear Orbi system. Inside the package, you'll find the Orbi router, satellite units, power adapters, and an Ethernet cable. Make sure all components are included before starting the setup process. Connect your Netgear Orbi router to the modem using the included Ethernet cable. Next, plug the power adapter into the router and a wall outlet. Turn it on and wait for the LED to stabilize. Find the sync button on the back panel of your Orbi router. This button is used to connect and pair Orbi satellites with the router, helping extend Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home. Within 2 minutes, press the sync button on the Orbi satellite. The satellite will begin searching for the router and establish a connection automatically. The LED will pulse while syncing. Once the satellite successfully connects, unplug it and move it to the area where you need better Wi-Fi coverage. Plug it back in and wait for it to reconnect to the Orbi router automatically. If you experience any issues during setup, our support team is ready to help. Contact our experienced professionals at 1-323-507-3713 for expert assistance, troubleshooting, and guidance to ensure your Netgear Orbi system works smoothly. That's it. Your Netgear Orbi Tri-Band Wi-Fi 6 mesh system is now set up using the WPS method. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Wi-Fi router, extender, and mesh system setup guides. Thanks for watching.